Well, I was headed to get lunch, and I got up to 17th and I Street and was going to take a right. And as soon as I got up 17th and I Street, we heard like rapid gunshots. So myself and other people started to run back down I Street. There were also like a UPS truck that like was speeding by too. And we got about halfway down I Street towards 18th, and we stopped because everything was quiet. So we thought maybe it was construction going on, though it certainly didn't sound like that. But then we started walking back, and then we heard more gunfire. So we ran down the street, and then about a minute later, we still weren't completely convinced that it was gunfire. So I walked back to the corner, and I only saw one police car there, so I figured it couldn't be anything. So I walked up and I saw they had a person pinned on the ground yelling at him to stay down, and there was broken glass in the bus stop, and then they moved, like it was some sort of construction vehicle or something along those lines, and they moved the vehicle, and that's when we saw two National Guards on the ground, and one they were trying to resuscitate. And then at that point, it was still even a couple of minutes before there was any response. Like they didn't have anything closed off, and it was kind of surreal, to be honest with you. And it took us a couple of minutes to realize how serious the situation was.